All right, good afternoon. How are you? My name is Mark with Crypto for Seniors. Well, today is the 15th, and the only reason why that's truly important is if you're a miner, Goldshell has released their brand new EKA1M. And let's just take a quick look at it. Now, there's a lot of information that's starting to come out. I will tell you there's not enough that is out for me to make a decision to buy multiples. I will go ahead and at least buy one of them. Okay? And here's why I say that. It looks sexy as hell. Let me see if I can blow that up a little bit. There you go. Very nice looking. So 5.5 terahash, 1800 watts. Now, I do want to talk to you about that in just a minute. All right. It is supposed to be a very, very silent, and there's a video and it's going to show just a little bit about that. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Let's start it over. There you go. Yeah, gosh, that's sexy. Looks just like a jazz miner. Of course, all the stickers are added. Those are all the mini Doge stickers. Very nice. Oh, both plugs. Okay. So the CN, well, look, there you go. 46 decibels. Guys, 46 decibels is nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing. Very, very quiet. Okay, so that is really, really nice looking. I can't wait to get my hands on that one. All right, let's take a look at this. So you would think that this would be out here on Goldshell's site. So we're on their shop. And we go down here, and they do talk about their journey, the big thing that is coming out right now about their 5th anniversary. And of course, you don't see that anywhere, do you? So it is not displayed. I am going to do an unboxing on that watch. I got one and I just love it. Absolutely love it. So be watching for that. Okay, so it is absolutely not there. It is, they do talk about it here on Discord. And of course, that is all the information that they're showing. So a couple of things, guys, and let me share this with you. So a lot of people in my community, they're brand new to mining or they're early into mining. The 1800 watts kind of scares me a little bit, and let me tell you why, okay? Now, personally, not for me, because, I understand a little bit about electricity. I am not, and I don't want you to think that I am, okay? I'm not an electrician, but here's what I know, okay? The normal plug that you have, and I'm talking to the folks out in the U.S. Now, the normal plug that you have, and let me jump over here. Yep, there we go. The normal plug that you have, that whole circuit, you only get 1800 watts. That's the max, okay? And as a miner, we never, ever go over 80%. 80% is the absolute maximum. And I mean, I'm pretty hardened and critical when it comes to that. So you're already at a detriment. So for the home miner, you really need either one, your own circuit, and I still wouldn't do it, but I'm going to tell you why, because there are some influencers or folks on YouTube that are talking about, well, just get a separate circuit. Well, number one, you've got to hire somebody to bring them in. You don't want to do that. Number two, okay, the 1800 watts, if you have anything else on it, like a computer, lights, or anything like that, then you're already over, right? So there's no way that you're going to be able to do this. What you truly need, if you're going to get into this, is you need to have 220, okay? If you are a miner, more than likely you've got that, and you probably have about as much information as I do. This video is really for my community, for the new miners, the people that want to get into it. I would tell you do the box miners for right now. Those are the ones that take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 watts. You are golden. You can put a couple of those on a normal circuit and you are just fine for the home miners. That's great in the wintertime. You want to put them upstairs and it does kind of help to heat your home. So it's like free heating. Why not? Okay. Now, what I would tell you is if this is something that you're thinking about getting, there is no price out right now. And this will be a pre-order. Okay. So that's another thing that kind of concerns me. Although I have to tell you, I do love Goldshell, and I love James. James has been so helpful. He is my point of contact for Goldshell. He is very tight-lipped on this. He has not given me any information, but I did have some of the specs early. So, James, shout out to you. I really appreciate you, buddy. I will tell you that you need to wait to make the decision, right? So, here's my thinking. We get the price, we do the pre-order, and it takes a good 2 to 3 weeks to ship, okay? So, the price is going to kind of fluctuate, but what I'm really worried about is every major company that produces equipment is jumping on the bandwagon. And there are an incredible amount of these really high-powered ASICs that are coming out. So that's going to cause the hash power or the hash to go up. And that means your profitability is going to go down. So what we're hoping for is Bitcoin, right? If you're listening, Bitcoin, hey, you want to go up, right? Shout out to Bitcoin in the back. So if Bitcoin goes up, if the altcoins go up, and personally, I don't see altcoins going up until next year, probably second quarter, maybe third quarter. Not financial advice, just an opinion. Hey, I'm a guy on the internet, right? But I have done a tremendous amount of research for my community. So you want to be real careful. Now, here's what I see. This thing's going to release, and you're going to get maybe 3 months of you're going to get 3 months of really, really good mining, okay, where you're going to be extremely profitable because a lot of the big boys are starting to produce this, and a lot of the big mining farms are starting to jump on this. And that hash power is not, it has gone up, guys. I'm not going to scare you about that, but this is still a product that I think is well worth buying, right? If the price is somewhere around 12 to 1800, I think they're going to do exceptional. All right. And this is just off my head. A lot of people are talking that that's going to be the price range. We'll just see, right? I don't know that for a fact. It could come in over 2000, and that's going to be okay. And I probably will still get one because that's what I love. I love mining, right? I'm retired. This is what I do. YouTube, hey, shout out. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. Love for you to be in my community. Okay, so here's my thoughts. Keep watching every day or two. Be sure to check my channel because I'm going to be right on this, right? The minute I get a price or I talk to James and can nail him up against the wall and say, you got to give me a price, bud. I got people that need to know, right? So as soon as I can get that price, I'm going to give it out to you. We're going to look at the profitability. We're going to look at how much hash is increasing over time. We're going to kind of try to project what the next 3 months is going to look like. And then I think it's going to be like every other miner. Put it in the corner and forget it. And, you'll make enough to pay your power off of it. And, you're not going to get rich off of it, right? These are little home miners. But I am so excited for this one because this is the stair step, right? From the little box miners up to the big ASICs. And for some people, especially if you're new, the big ASICs scare people, right? They're noisy, they're expensive, you need 220. This one you really need 220 for as well. Please don't plug it into an 1800 watt. It is way, way too powerful, right? All right, so here is some things I'm going to ask you to do. Number one, hey, if you're not subscribed, please go down below, hit that subscribe. Subscribe so that you know any information as soon as I get it. I promise you I'm going to blast it out there, right? Number two, I am in the process of trying to get a hold of James, and it is nighttime right now over there, so I don't expect to get anything anytime soon. But be checking back in the next day or two, and hopefully I can get a price for you. And I will have it all over my website or all over my channel So be sure that you check that out. All right, guys. Hey, I just wanted to bring you something down and dirty very quick, let you know that I'm truly excited about it. And we're going to show you the profitability as soon as we get the numbers, right? I promise you, we're going to be one of the first people that get this puppy in, and we'll do an unboxing. We'll do a profitability for you. My name is Mark with Crypto for Seniors. I love you guys. If you are subscribers, thank you so much. If you're not subscribers, hey, why not? Subscribe down below. Love you. Take care.